all of us. It's a great time to be a politician, isn't it? Woo! Man, think about going into politics, doesn't it? Yeah.
You know, Peter, last time I saw this fella, he was talking about the spotted owl all the time. Now all he's talking about are the ducks.
I like that. Oregon Congressman and former Duck alum, Peter DeFazio. Yeah.
Well, when we got to the Rose Bowl, I approached one of my colleagues from Wisconsin, and I said, "You want to bet on the game?" And he said, "Yeah." He said, "I'll take the Ducks." But I did find another member of their delegation a little less sophisticated about football, and I'm really going to enjoy that Wisconsin cheese and the brats and the beer after we win tomorrow. I have here something banned by the NCAA, and I hope the band will help out. I'm out of practice because we couldn't use them all year. A short version of the Oregon fight song. Can we do that? 1 and a 2 and a 3.
Does that prove that all politicians are blowhards?
Oh, that was good though. That was good. Hey, have you seen what we got right over here, Neil? Have you seen this?
Oh yeah, I walked by it when I came in, and
the duck truck?
Absolutely. How about that? Wisconsin didn't have one of those.
Nope. No. Are they bringing that in?
They better.
I think you know what we're getting ready to bring in. You know, one thing that Oregon has that Wisconsin.
Here we are.
Here we come.
Check this out.